In the bustling universe of project management tools, ClickUp has rapidly gained popularity due to its extensive feature set and remarkable flexibility. It aims to be the one app to replace them all, offering functionalities that span from simple task lists to complex project workflows, document creation, and even CRM. This ambitious scope often leads to a common and very practical question for individuals and teams exploring new software. Is ClickUp 100% free? As a project management expert, I can tell you unequivocally, no, ClickUp is not 100% free. However, it does offer a robust free plan that is incredibly generous, especially for personal use or very small teams. Understanding the nuances of ClickUp's pricing structure is crucial for any project manager or team leader looking to adopt the platform, ensuring you pick the right plan for your current and future needs without unexpected limitations. ClickUp operates on a freemium model, a common strategy in the software as a service, SaaS, industry. This means they provide a free version with core functionalities, hoping that users will eventually upgrade to a paid plan as their needs grow, or as they require more advanced features, higher usage limits, or dedicated support. Let's dive into the specifics of ClickUp's free forever plan and what it offers, along with the limitations that will eventually prompt an upgrade. The free forever plan, what you get. ClickUp's free forever plan is genuinely impressive for a tool of its caliber. It's not a mere trial, it's a permanent offering designed to be functional for a specific segment of users. Here's what you can expect. Unlimited members. This is a significant differentiator. Unlike many other project management tools that limit free plans to 1, 3, or 5 users, ClickUp allows you to invite an unlimited number of members to your workspace. This makes it ideal for large personal projects or small, volunteer-based teams where everyone needs access. Unlimited tasks. You can create as many tasks as you need, without any ceiling. This means you won't be artificially constrained when outlining your projects. Unlimited docs. ClickUp's Docs feature allows you to create wikis, notes, knowledge bases, and more. The free plan gives you unlimited access to this, which is great for project documentation. Unlimited whiteboards. Collaborate visually with unlimited whiteboards for brainstorming, mind mapping, and flowcharts. 24/7 support. Even on the free plan, ClickUp offers round-the-clock customer support, which is a rare and valuable perk. Essential views. You get access to fundamental views like list, board, and calendar views, which are the bread and butter of project management for organizing and visualizing tasks. Time tracking, basic while more advanced features are paid. You can track time on tasks. Sprints. For agile teams, the basic sprints feature is available. Chat. Built-in chat functionality for team communication. For a student managing academic projects, a freelancer organizing client work, or a very small startup with basic task management needs, the free forever plan can be more than sufficient. It provides a solid foundation to manage projects, collaborate, and keep track of work. When you'll need to pay. The limitations of the free plan. The free forever plan is powerful, but it's designed to eventually lead you to a paid tier as your usage grows or your requirements become more sophisticated. Here are the key limitations that typically prompt an upgrade. Storage limits. The big one, the most significant limitation of the free forever plan is its 100 megabytes of storage. This might sound like a lot for just text-based tasks, but once you start attaching documents, images, videos, or project files, you'll hit this ceiling remarkably quickly. For any serious project work involving file sharing, this will be your first bottleneck. Limited access to advanced features. Many of ClickUp's most powerful and differentiating features are reserved for paid plans. These include unlimited storage, essential for any real-world project. Advanced automations. While basic automation exists, complex custom automations that save significant time are paid. Guests and permissions. If you need to invite external clients or contractors as guests to specific projects with granular permissions, this is a paid feature. Custom fields, highly valuable for tailoring tasks to your specific data needs, e.g., adding budget fields, client IDs. This is a core feature for many power users. Goals, for setting and tracking high-level objectives. Portfolios, for aggregating multiple projects into a single view. Workload management, crucial for understanding team capacity and preventing burnout. Advanced reporting, deeper insights into project performance, team productivity, and bottlenecks. Time estimates and tracking. While basic time tracking is free, setting time estimates and more advanced tracking features often require a paid plan. Integrations. Access to a wider range of third-party integrations. Advanced views. Features like workload view, table view, and other specialized views might be limited or paid. Security and administration. Higher-tier paid plans offer enhanced security features, single sign-on, SSO, and more robust administrative controls, which are vital for larger organizations. Public sharing. If you need to publicly share tasks, lists, or docs with external stakeholders who don't have a ClickUp account, this is typically a paid feature. Who should stick with the free plan? Individuals. For personal task management, habit tracking, or managing simple side projects. Very small, non-profit/volunteer teams. If your team size is small and file storage isn't a major concern, the free plan can serve basic collaborative needs. Students, for organizing academic assignments, group projects, and study notes. Evaluation purposes. The free plan is an excellent way to thoroughly test ClickUp and see if its interface and core functionalities suit your team's workflow before investing in a subscription. Who will likely need to pay? Growing teams. As your team expands and project complexity increases, you'll quickly outgrow the storage and feature limitations. Businesses of any size. If you plan to use ClickUp for any commercial purpose where file attachments, advanced reporting, custom workflows, or external client collaboration are necessary. Teams using agile methodologies. While basic sprints are free, advanced agile features often require a paid plan. Project managers needing deep analytics and resource management, tools for workload balancing, capacity planning, and detailed performance metrics are typically paid.